So, Auntie, when it comes to herbs, it is said that plants talk to our genes. Atharva Veda says that plants or herbs are these living entities which have consciousness in them. You yourself have said that we can get everything from the soil and the sun. So, from morning to night, what are the other uses of herbs that you can tell us about?
We have only one energy source. It starts from the sunlight. Our food or whatever we are saying, it's all the recreated form of sunlight.
Solar energy.
Solar energy, sunlight. And plants' leaves are the only one which can absorb that sunlight and convert into the other form. Plants, that plays a major role in our life. But now we are not that much connected. But earlier, in every way, we were connected with that. My grandmother and my uncle, when they passed away at the age of 99, 90, 98, like that, they never went to a dentist. They always had very good teeth.
No teeth fall?
Teeth fall, like 1 or 2 teeth fall in the last, till the age of 99. No teeth decay. Absolutely, like it was very intact, their teeth was. They never went to a dentist. Then how they did the tooth care?
Yeah.
Because they were living with the nature, mango tree was there. They'll take a mango leaf, they just fold it, roll it tightly and chew one side. So chewing one side, it becomes a 2-in-1. Paste and brush together, it comes 2-in-1. Why they are chewing? But directly when you are brushing it, it can hurt your gum. So while chewing one side, it becomes like very soft. And brush with that. You just try that and see how refreshing it is, how clean your teeth will be, how refreshing the mouth will be like after that. Yeah. And after brushing, you can just directly throw it in the soil. And where it has come, directly from the plant they have taken, they used it, they put it under that, there only they put it. So taken it, going back. So the cycle were completed over there. It's not coming from any factory. But now what kind of toothpaste we are using? It's a factory made, it's a strong chemical, it's coming from there to our house. How much of carbon footprint behind that, and then after using it, where it is going, and while using, we are using strong chemical in our mouth in the morning time. In our mouth, we have good bacteria which helps us for digestion. And that with the strong chemical, that bacteria will get killed. Now, most of the diseases, like now the gut health, everyone is talking about gut health and probiotic, all that. Why we are losing all that? It starts from our brushing. So that is a way like my grandparents, they practiced it. Coming to the dental care again, after brushing, we have to clean our tongue. We have to do the washing. The tongue cleaner, again, like directly from the nature. Coconut is very common over there. Just take a coconut leaf, in between that coconut stick comes, which we use for brooms and all.
Right.
Take that, make it into small pieces, open it into 2 pieces, and that is a natural tongue cleaner. And it is so fresh, like directly you are taking it, using it, it's going back to the soil. So you know from where it is coming, where it is going.
Correct. Otherwise, plastic tongue cleaners, though, you're right. Where is it going?
Where it is going and where it is getting manufactured. It's all like the factory. The nature provides us, like all the facilities, everything nature is giving. So that is the way like the tongue cleaner, they have used it. And then just mouthwash, they were using like little bit of coconut oil. That was, now it is calling as oil pulling. Consciously we are using all that. Yeah. That was all there in our daily routine. When you use the coconut oil for your oil pulling, that is just good fat. Whatever the extra bacteria and all that, it just gives a cover into that. It just takes out. And keep oil in the mouth for minimum 10-15 minutes.
So, toothbrushes and toothpaste are not needed.
Not needed.
Instead of toothpaste, what can we use?
Instead of toothpaste, see, now we are not living like when you're living in an apartment, coming out, there is no mango tree. Yes. You cannot just do it. So you can make and keep it. Okay. I make my own tooth powder now.
Achha.
Yeah, I use only my own tooth powder. So for that, I use like now mango leaf, a few mango leaves, and how much of mango leaf I'm taking, that much of guava leaf also I take, because guava leaf is very good. Even when you get teethache, take one guava leaf, fold it nicely and tightly hold there where you have the pain. You will get pain relief.
Okay.
So I even use some guava leaf in my tooth powder and neem leaf, little bit of neem leaf, because it's bitter in taste and it's very antibacterial thing. So you can add little bit of neem leaf into that, and peppermint. It's very refreshing flavor it will give you. So add little bit of peppermint leaf also. All this leaf you're trying, remember that don't try directly on the sunlight, try in the shade.
Okay.
Wash and dry all
What
that.
is the reason?
See, the sunlight directly when you're using it, it along with the water when you're using it, no, it's a strong light when it is falling. It will lose its nutrition also in that.
Understood.
So always use in the shade slowly, like let the process happen in that way. And then powder it, sieve it nicely and keep it in a deppa. That you can use it maybe like for 6 months you can do it, so it won't come an extra burden for you. Because now why we are going behind all this product, because it's very easy for convenience.
Correct. Yes.
So we should make even this lifestyle also, when we care for our body, we have to use all that, and this also should be convenient for you.
Yes.
In that powder, what I do is that I add little bit of turmeric into that. In a big bottle you can keep this powder, and that you can take it in a small bottle for a month time. How much you need, that much you take it in a bowl, add little bit of turmeric into that and little bit of salt into that. It all like, no, it's for a fresh, when you put it in the mouth, like it has to give you a good taste also. Add little this coconut oil which we made,
Okay.
either the cold press or like the extra virgin coconut oil, so that you will get a smooth consistency, you will get it. Because in this world we are all used to like the paste means it should come in a flow in that way.
Yeah.
So even our paste should compete with that, no?
Yeah.
So you add that into that because we are used to that. So our body, our mind, when it is adaptable, we should be adaptable for that. Even though when we are ready, the family member, everyone may not be ready with the powder. Keep it in your wash basin. And with a cotton, with a wooden stick, ice cream stick, you can just take it, put it in your brush.
Or we can use bamboo toothbrush also.
Bamboo toothbrush. Yeah, bamboo toothbrush you can use it. Just put it in that and then brush it.
Okay. Does it give that whiteness, natural whiteness?
Absolutely,
also?
yes.
Because people say you can put baking soda for.
No need. Baking soda and all, it's very strong thing. Like your mouth doesn't need that. You just try that.
Acha.
You just try that.
Acha, nice.
Then you will not use the other toothpaste.
Ah.
Once when you use these kind of natural products, you will not use.
And Auntie, also one good indicator for knowing whether the toothpaste or the tooth powder that we're using is authentic, chemical free is it will not create foam, right?
Yeah.
Because foaming agents are all chemical.
Yes,
Whether it is
chemical.
for the hair,
Yes, yeah.
face, or.
Yeah. And nowadays, actually, we have conditioned in that way that, all foam should come. Then
Yeah.
only like, it's cleaning.
Clean, yes.
Even the washing vessels, like,
Yeah.
even washing clothes, shampoo, what you said, soap, everything, the lather, like, it just gives us the mental, it's, we conditioned in that way. But once when we understand, like what that is giving the negative effect of that, and if we can change it into that way, this gives you the same result.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shlloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shlloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.